In today's video, we're going to review how to use FlashFill to fill in data quickly in a column. So in this data set, you will see that I've got a bunch of data and the numbers are out of sort right now. I may be starting with a blank list of data, or I could be starting with data that is already filled out. It does not matter for this. So for this, I just want to reorder this data. So I could start, with the number 1, and then I could do something like, say, okay, I'm going to add 1 to each one and then copy that down. And there's quick ways to copy that down. But what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to say, this is number 1, this is number 2. I'm going to highlight both of those, and you'll see I get this little black cross here. I'm going to double click on it, and then that's going to autofill that data down. So if I was to start with a blank list of data, I could do the same thing. I could highlight both 1 and 2, I could click, and it will go down. Now there needs to be something in the column next to it, otherwise it won't know where to finish. So if I go into a brand new sheet and I do 1 and 2, and I highlight them and I click, it's not going to do anything because it doesn't know where to go down till. But if I add in data in the column next to it, and now I highlight it and double click, it will fill the data out. So this is a good way to fill out data. You can also do numbers. Let's say you wanted alternate numbers, something like that. You can do that. So you can see that did 1, 3, 5. So it's like every other number. It just increased it by 2 because that's how I had it spread out. You can also do, if you want to do, 10, then 20. So if you had a need for this, and then you fill that in, it will do it every 10. Another thing it does is numbers with letters. So if I do A1 and then A2, and then I flash fill this, so I highlight it, it will enter, when I get there, it will enter the data and make that, say, A1, 2, 3, A3, A4, all the way down. So that's another way you can actually combine letters with numbers and copy those down. You can't do letters by itself, so if you wanted this to be A and then B, this will just repeat the data. It will go A, B, A, B, A, B, which can be useful sometimes if you want to do that. It will just do the numbers going down. But again, if you wanted to do A10, A20, it will do the same thing it did before with the 10 and 20. It will just put the letter A in front of it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check out my other videos on my page. Have a great day.